Hello, welcome to Algebra 2, Lesson 17. Today we are going to cover subscripted variables, angle relationships, and a bunch of other stuff. So now that I have my settings correct, let's get started. In your problems, you're going to see something like this. Now, this is normally not a problem for students, but sometimes they get thrown off because there's two letters here. Just treat that as one letter, or if it really bothers you, make them different letters. So this problem is exactly the same as this problem, just with different letters. So if the letters bother you, just change the letters. Now moving on, we have angle relationships today. So actually we do need to solve this problem here, which is quite gross. So we have RMTM plus RWTW equals 260, and they give us RM is 40, RW is 60, and TM plus TW equals 5. How would you solve that? Well, you have four equations and you have four variables, but luckily for you, two of those are already solved for. RM is solved for, and RW is solved for. So anything that they give you the value for, just like those other problems where they give you the value and you have to plug in, go ahead and plug in those numbers. So we have 40 TM plus 60 TW equals 260, and TM, this equation, plus TW equals 5. From there, you can use substitution or elimination to solve. But we don't need to do that because you've got this. Okay, the last part of our problem set is when you have two parallel lines and you have an angle that goes through them, and we see that they want us to solve for the value of x and y. So we have 7x minus 2y, we have 50, and we have 5x minus 10y. Now, the issue here is that we have letters instead of numbers. Are we bothered? Not really, because we're going to start the same way we always would. These two add up to 180. What's the formula? A plus B equals 180. So 7x minus 2y plus 50 equals 180. And then we remember that this intersection is the same as this intersection, which means that this angle is the same as this angle. So 5x minus 10y equals 50. Now, you have two equations in two variables. Can you solve them? Absolutely. If I'm a little sneaky and subtract 50 from both sides, I can rewrite this equation as 7x minus 2y equals 130 and solve that. Simple enough. And that, my friends, is lesson 17. Enjoy.